What's up, guys? Back at it again with another reaction to aespa Life Too Short. Feel me? Gotta get it done because we love her.
We love her? Yeah? Her? Just one?
Oh my fault. I thought this was a single.
Oh my god, bro. This man thought we was doing Nyan pop, bro. What's wrong?
I thought this was a single.
That's on the list, you fucking dingus. What you mean? What? I said that. I said Nyan's from twice. I said Nyan's from twice. How did I set you up? This is aespa. You said the whole title and everything. You still thought it was a single.
Because. You know what, bro?
Yo, this man is ridiculous.
Fuck you, man.
Come on, I'm waiting for you, bro.
Hey, greetings. I have descended once again to correct his mishaps.
Dear Lord.
Yes, we are here to watch.
Yo, you look like you're on gunpoint.
That ass, like somebody got a blick on you outside of the fucking camera. Like, what's wrong with you?
I feel uncomfortable now.
You feel uncomfortable now? Why? Because he fucking
Yes.
Because he thought it was Nyan pop.
Yeah,
I thought it was not even pop. I thought it was a single from. You know what?
we're here to watch Life's Too Short.
Matter of fact,
Maybe we can learn a thing or two.
now who is this? Who is this right here? Casey, who that?
Why are you doing this now, bro?
Because I'm calling you out. I'm pulling your card, bro. Who is that?
No. God damn it.
Anyway, y'all know us. It's been oh shit. It's been 2 minutes filming. Like, comment, subscribe. We're checking out a new aespa music video, English release, Life Too Short. Yeah. I know me, I don't like to waste y'all time. Even though I just wasted 2 minutes and 17 seconds of it. Here, right, the video. Bang. Did you hear what happened today? Yes. So much drama. Nah, bro. Life's too short for this. Damn right.
Stop it.
This
Okay.
This sounds like something. Hold up, I need to restart. My brain fried. Right, let me turn that up too. The text messages just fried my brain completely, bro. Every time I see these avatars, it just reminds me of KDA, bro.
All of this discussion, talking about nothing, you'd ever said on my face. You think you was the gospel, but the only trouble. I ain't got the time to waste. You need to get a life, 'cause life's too short. You must be bored out of mind. You should really take the notes and
No, I was not prepared for Blonde Winter.
Yeah, that threw me off.
That threw me off OD, bro.
I was like, what the?
I have never seen Karina that soft before. This reminds me of something.
Some people are so mean, I'll be on a phone screen when we're trying to live our lives. Why you gotta be so vicious? Be about your business instead of getting up in mine. You need to get
Earlier, yeah.
'cause life's too short.
Bro. What is wrong with y'all?
What?
Oh nah. Those high-speed cameras. Time for the switch up. It's weird. Winter had blonde hair in the beginning, but it's still throwing me off here. You know they had to give Ning Ning that shit real quick, man.
Oh, of course.
No, Ning Ning had to do it real quick. Okay, Karina. First of all, I'm gonna have to run that back. Second of all, you know, like we listened to that little Christmas song that they had forever ago.
Forever.
Yeah, it was literally called Forever. Okay. But like everything else from them has been just so like high energy, poppy, grunge, like
Electro.
rock in your face, right? And this felt so out of left field for me. You feel what I mean? Like,
No, you weren't ready for like the guitar.
I wasn't ready for this. I wasn't ready for the guitar. I wasn't ready for like the soft filter over everything. Just the entire softness of it in general. And the beginning of the song reminded me of another song that I can't remember what it is. Like, it's an old song, like probably 2000s or 90s.
I was about to say, did we react to it?
No, we didn't react to it. It's an old song that we've all definitely heard before. It's not like old, but we've all heard it before. Like go back to like right here.
All of this discussion, talking about nothing you'd ever said to my face.
That don't remind you of something?
melody.
What?
I said the little melody.
That melody, like it's a very common melody. That's why like it threw me off at first. I had to run it back. I mean, I'm gonna run it back regardless.
Oh, I think I know.
You know what it is, bro.
Teenage Robot.
What the fuck?
I was like, look, type it in. I'm dead ass. Type it in, cause I know what you're talking about.
Teenage Robot?
Is it that? Wait.
What?
No,
it's not Teenage Robot, bro.
Wait, it gotta be.
No.
Wait, one of those old cartoons. I'm telling you.
It's not a cartoon, bro.
I know, but it's a common melody though. That's why. I heard
Yeah. It's not My Life as a Teenage Robot. It can't be My Life as a Teenage Robot.
He said it can't be.
It can't be, bro. It can't. Hold on.
Or Phineas and Ferb too. It sound like that too.
No, what the fuck?
It sound like that too.
There's something wrong with you.
Nah, it's not, bro.
Oh.
Nah, it's not this.
Like, are you serious?
Man started singing this.
Cause that shit slap, bro.
I tried for this.
It's not either. It's 104 days of summer vacation. School comes along just to end.
Don't hear the lyrics, bro. Hear the beat.
There's 104 days of summer vacation.
Now play back. Go back. And play.
Okay,
Pause. Yeah, go back.
I guess I can see where he comes from. Say it
This is like a slower version.
All of this discussion, talking about nothing you'd ever said to my face. You think you
You don't hear it?
I hear it a little bit. It's
That's what I got from
it's
it.
something else. It's something else.
Hold up. I mean, cause you're legit insane.
Nah, man. Sound like a Justin Bieber song too.
There's 100
God damn, they start that shit off quick.
There's 104 days of summer vacation, and school comes along just to end it.
No, it's not, you can't do that with the lyrics.
What you mean
bro.
I can't?
You gotta put the instrumental or something on that.
Yeah, that's too much work. Listen, I'm not hearing that, bro. You're insane. I'm not hearing it. It's a different song. I don't know if it's a Beyonce song or something, bro.
Beyonce song.
It's a song, bro. It's one of those.
Cause I know Beyonce songs.
think it was enough. This discussion. All of this discussion, talking about nothing you'd ever said to my face. You think you're with the gospel, but they're only trouble. I ain't got the time to waste. You need to get away, 'cause life's too short. You must be bored out of mind.
Okay, like you see what I'm saying, right?
I mean, Beyonce probably did it. She have a fucking million songs.
I don't know if it's Beyonce. I'm just saying it's like
Yeah,
one
I
of those
know.
artists from like in the 2000s, bro. Like growing up, I heard a song like this. I feel like we've all heard it before.
Maybe
Somebody in the
Justin
comments will
Timberlake.
let us know because I know I'm not tripping. Like it legit sounds like something in the beginning.
You got Justin Timberlake.
You said Beyonce,
Mario.
Halo popped up in my head. for
Halo,
some
how does
reason.
Halo start?
I don't
Nah,
exactly.
it's
Listen,
definitely
there's
not
too much.
Halo.
It's too much.
Definitely not Halo.
Let's
Yeah.
let's just run it back.
I don't know why it popped into my head.
This is what I was saying. Like to be honest, when I asked you who was this in the beginning, I didn't even know because I'm not used to Karina looking like that. Like
For
usually,
some reason, I thought Ning Ning starts the songs. I'm so freaking just thinking about how Twice did things.
oh, with Naya.
Yeah.
Like I was not. I'm so used to them having like Karina with like super sharp like makeup
Oh yeah, I see what you're talking about.
that like accentuates her features and whatnot. But here it's like more light, so it looks like a completely different person.
Winter, I didn't know that was Winter until you said it.
It's funny because Winter had the blonde hair in the Black Mamba. Giselle had blonde hair in Black Mamba too, right? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they both have blonde hair in Black Mamba.
And it was straight though.
Straight.
It was like a straight.
I mean, straight now.
Yeah.
No, I'm talking about like it wasn't like a straight look.
Oh yeah, like it was like down. Yeah. They put Everton in that room. He gonna fold.
What are you talking about?
You see the room with the 3 Giselles, man? I mean, not Giselles, the 3 Ning Nings.
Good one.
They put you in that room, you gonna fold, boy. Stop playing. Then gonna be on his knee. What can I do for you, my queen?
Stop it. I'm not.
You know, on a second listen, I definitely fuck with this. Even though it's not like the usual high energy, poppy, super duper hip hop type sound that they usually have. It's in that weird soft SM genre of music. Like it or not, all this fun, so why would I ever stop? Why would I ever stop? That was a crazy shot.
The David part at the end reminds me of TLC.
TLC?
Mm-hmm.
What you mean?
Like, this is going to playlist.
That's going on the playlist?
Yep.
At the end of TLC's song "Baby, Baby, Baby," they do that same little melody.
Huh. Listen, you already know me. I haven't listened to shit. I haven't watched shit, so I don't know what you're talking about, but I'm gonna trust you on this.
TLC?
They're the ones that made the No Scrub song, right?
Yeah.
That's the only song I ever heard, brother.
Oh, dude. That's crazy.
That's the only. Listen, bro. I keep telling you, we're Jamaican, bro. All my mom played around us was Jamaican music and James Blunt.
Hmm?
That's it. So all that stuff y'all grew up listening to, I did not catch any of it. That's why I don't know what the fuck y'all be talking about whenever y'all talking about media.
Like I said, I listen to all types of shit.
So do I, but I just don't go back in time. That's my problem. But yeah, how we feeling? How we feeling about the song?
Love it. I'll give it probably like a 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah.
F.
And
10. I respect it. I don't think I can give this a rating, but like in a good way. Stop. In a good way. I think this is something that I feel like I said, I'm used to their other sound. Granted, I've never listened to any of their albums, so I can't speak on that. But like their other songs, I'm used to. Yeah, I'm used to that sound. So I think I just need to, cause I like the song. Like I like the lyrics. I like what they're going for. I like everything they're saying. I like the music video. I fuck with all of it. It's just not hitting me here yet. Feel me? This is a song that I need to let sit, and then I listen to it later, and then I feel it. Right? I don't know if this. I guess you could call it a sleeper. I fuck with it right now. I'd give it like a 8 to 9. Nah, just 8, yeah.
No,
I'd give it like an 8. Nah.
Just go 8.5.
Nah, I'd give it an 8. Nah.
I feel like if you watch the live performance, it's gonna be way better. Like this is a song like I feel like it would be fire live, like, more better. Especially if the crowd start clapping. Like how
Okay, see, that's true. I feel like a live audience would probably boost this. I wonder if they're gonna drop another music video though.
probably when the album release.
Oh yeah, next month. But yeah, I'm OJ. Like, comment, subscribe for more. If you got any more aespa you want us to check out, check it below. If you got any more aespa you'd like us to check out, leave it down below in the comments. It's been real.
The sky.
I can't find my mouse. There we go.